What's going on, everyone? In this video series, we're going to go through the top 150 interview questions using the Java language. We are going to go to removing elements. We already did in the previous video move assorted arrays, so we're going to remove elements with this one. What we are doing in this video series, we're using AI to help us solve these problems, make it very easy to understand. I have an entire chat set up for doing this kind of stuff. We have, let me go to rules. I have some rules that I wrote down for chat to follow. This took a long time to get chat to get the memory sorted out and polish everything. So everything is running smooth now. And if you do find value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a share would be appreciated. So our last video, we had this thumbnail. So what chat does is it chooses out of anime, well, it lets me pick out of anime or gaming storyline to solve the problem. Once it solves the problem, we throw it into the let's code, and then after that, it creates a thumbnail for us based off of the problem and the title of the problem. So we've done a lot of digging into this thing to make it look good and work good. We're going to solve this second problem here, remove elements. So all we did was copy all this down to the bottom, following the constraints. Once we have that in there, we can simply just copy and paste it into chat because of how I have it set up. It's like, boom. Let's go ahead and see what it comes up with. All right, so gamer theme. Do I want a gamer theme? Dude, I even wait. Hold, chat. Hold on, chat. Hold on. You didn't prompt, so you gotta give it like, you gotta remind it me on which thing to pick. You're absolutely right. Let's fix that. Before diving into the solution, which thing would you like to use for this problem? Anime. Let's see. We have anime, gamer, futuristic, robot cleanup, parts, medieval fantasy, pirate adventure. Let's go with number 3. Right.
Got it. Let's dive into a futuristic story where we design a robotic system to efficiently remove defective parts from a cyber warehouse inventory. The problem: the glitch in the inventory system. In the year 3025, the Cyber Storage Corporation operates massive warehouses filled with robotic parts. However, a bug in their manufacturing process has resulted in defective parts, marked by a specific serial code referred to as VAL, contaminating the inventory. These defective parts are causing chaos in assembly lines. You, the genius robotic engineer, have been hired to program RoboCleanerX, an advanced AI cleanup bot, to fix this mess. Your mission? 1. Remove all defective parts, VAL, from the inventory in place. 2. Ensure the first K elements of the inventory are defect-free. 3. The remaining spots in the warehouse inventory are irrelevant and can remain unused. Constraints: RoboCleanerX must work efficiently and meet the warehouse's real-time processing limits. Here's how we'll design RoboCleanerX to save the day. Java class solution, public int remove element, int inventory, int defective part, int clean count equals 0. Number of defect-free parts for int I equals 0, I inventory.length, I++. If inventory I equal defective part, inventory clean count, inventory I, clean count ++, return clean count, number of usable parts in the inventory. How it works: 1. Inventory represents the array of parts in the warehouse. 2. Defective part, the serial code marking defective parts to be removed. 3. Clean count tracks the count of defect-free parts. It also serves as the index to place the next usable part. 4. The loop iterates through the array. If a part isn't defective, RoboCleanerX shifts it to the front of the array, overwriting any defective parts. 5. The function returns the total count of usable parts, clean count. Hash example 1. Input: inventory equals 3, 2, 2.
All right, let's go ahead and create the thumbnail. So let me know when you like to tweak or create thumbnail. We should be able to just type in thumbnail and see what it comes up with. If I can spell it right, please. Thumbnail. Moving elements. Perfect. I like it. It's good. And now we've reached our limit of how many thumbnails we can make for today. I am thinking about upgrading. So we'll go ahead and plug this into our thing here and see what it comes up with. Let's go ahead and all right, let's run this and see if it works. Boom, both cases are accepted. Let's go ahead and submit that. And let's see if it passed everyone else. 100% ridiculous. Ridiculous. You gotta get on this. You gotta get on this because this is where the future is at. Combining AI with your basic understanding or advanced understanding of how to use these coders and in the languages, not just Java. I mean, this thing we can go into Python, which I'm going to start studying next. All right. Next problem is going to be remove duplicates from sorted array. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the story, you found value, it was able to make things simple for you. That's what I'm here for, to help make things simple, because coding was very difficult for me. But using AI and these chat GPTs, the chat sites, I was able to break it down, make it easy to understand. And yeah, let's make coding fun and easy. All right, peace.